In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AWS Secrets Manager. This incredibly useful tool from Amazon Web Services helps you manage secrets like passwords, database credentials, or API keys securely. If you're dealing with sensitive information, AWS Secrets Manager is a lifesaver. First off, to get started, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the AWS website. A quick online search should take you right there. Once you've arrived at the AWS homepage, look for the Sign In button. At this point, you'll need to select whether you're logging in as a root user or an IAM user. IAM, which stands for Identity and Access Management, is perfect for users who need access control and enhanced security features. Once you've made your selection, enter your login credentials to proceed. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself at the AWS Management Console. This is your control center for accessing all AWS services. Our next stop is the Secrets Manager console, so go ahead and navigate there. You should be able to find it using either the search bar at the top or within the AWS services list. Once you've found Secrets Manager, click on it. Now that you're within the Secrets Manager interface, look for the option that says Store a New Secret and select it. This button is where the magic begins, as it allows you to securely store and manage a new secret. When prompted, you'll need to decide on the type of secret you're storing. Common options include database credentials, an API key, or other sensitive information. You will also have the opportunity to select an encryption key, which adds an additional layer of security by encrypting the secret. If you're dealing with databases, this is when you'll select the appropriate database to associate with your secret. The next step involves configuring your secret. Here, you'll want to give your secret a meaningful name. You might also wish to add a description and tags, which are optional but can help with organization and management. Pay attention to resource permissions to ensure only authorized users and services have access to your secret. You might also consider setting up secret replication, which can help in extending your secret's availability across different AWS regions. Moving on, we now come to configuring the rotation of your secret. This feature is fantastic for maintaining security since it automatically updates your secret without manual intervention. You'll decide on the rotation interval based on your security requirements. Finally, it's time to review everything. Go through each configuration step and verify that all the details are correct. Once you're happy with everything, you can click to finalize or save. And there you go. With these steps, you've securely set up and managed a secret in AWS Secrets Manager. This tool is a great way to simplify your workflow while keeping your critical data safe. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this guide to AWS Secrets Manager helpful.